Most people believe fear of failure is what holds them back. But if we're being honest, the deeper issue for many people isn't failure at all. It's success. Success changes things. Success asks more of you. Success requires you to become visible, responsible, consistent, and self-led. And for many people, that feels unsafe on a subconscious level. So today, we're going to talk about the hidden fear of success, how it forms, how it shows up in your life, and how to dissolve it so you can move forward cleanly and confidently. The fear of success usually doesn't sound like fear. It sounds like procrastination, hesitation, perfectionism, overthinking, starting strong and then pulling back, or telling yourself, now isn't the right time. Underneath those patterns is often a deeper concern. What happens if this actually works? What will people expect from me? Who might I disappoint? Who might judge me? Who might feel uncomfortable if I change? Many people grew up learning that success creates separation, pressure, responsibility, or conflict. So the nervous system learns to associate success with danger instead of safety. This is why someone can consciously want more, but subconsciously slow themselves down every time momentum builds. Success threatens old identities, old relationships, old roles, and old comfort zones. And the mind's job is to keep you familiar, not fulfilled. So it quietly pulls you back toward what it knows. Another layer of the fear of success is self-worth. If you succeed, you can't hide anymore. You can't blame circumstances. You can't say, I could have, but success asks you to fully own your potential, and that can feel vulnerable. It exposes you to being seen clearly, both by others and by yourself. So instead of failing outright, many people hover just below their true capacity. They stay busy, but not fully expressed, capable, but not committed. This keeps them safe from the responsibility of becoming who they actually are. The truth is, success doesn't change who you are, it reveals who you've been becoming all along. And avoiding success doesn't protect you. It slowly erodes your self-trust. Each time you pull back when things start working, your nervous system learns that expansion isn't safe. Today is about reversing that pattern. Success does not require you to abandon yourself, betray your values, or lose your peace. Real success expands your capacity, not your stress. It gives you more choice, not less. It allows you to operate from intention instead of survival. The fear you're feeling isn't a warning, it's a signal that you're approaching the edge of an old identity. And that's exactly where growth lies. When you notice yourself slowing down, self-sabotaging, or minimizing your progress instead of judging yourself, get curious. Ask, what am I afraid will change if this works? What part of my old identity would I have to release? What version of me would need to step forward? Awareness dissolves fear faster than force ever could. Today, you're not pushing through fear. You're understanding it, reassuring it, and leading yourself forward anyway. Success is not something to brace against. It's something to allow. And when you allow it, you stop fighting yourself. You stop shrinking at the edge of expansion. You step forward as the person you've been training to become. That's the shift today. You are safe to succeed. You are allowed to rise. And nothing needs to be sacrificed except the version of you that was never meant to stay small.